What's the deal, everybody? It's JT from 7 Figures Marketing, back with a new video. Today's video, I'm going to show you a new way you can make $100 per day pretty fast on Clickbank. I haven't seen too many people talk about it on their channels and stuff, so it's kind of a new strategy, and I feel like I'm going to be pushing out a lot more content covering this new strategy throughout the rest of this year. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And if you're new to my channel, post everything Clickbank, max money, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and just make money online videos. So if you like that type of content, subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my new video. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, what you're gonna need for this method is a Clickbank account. Of course, I'm pretty sure most of y'all watching this video, you already got you a Clickbank account. You're gonna need you a Google account, Gmail, that's free as well. You're gonna need you a landing page builder. Now, the landing page builder that I use is ClickFunnels, and it comes with a 14-day free trial. After that, it's $97 per month. It's more on the higher end. They got other landing page builders out there like Builderall, Kartra. I haven't really looked into the pricing of that. You can even use, I'm pretty sure you can get away with using a free landing page builder like Weebly or Wix, but this is the one that I recommend I'm gonna be using throughout the tutorial. So I will leave a link in the description down below for ClickFunnels. And you need a simple campaign budget of $20 or $30 per day. You are gonna have to spend some money. It's not a such thing as really like just 100% free free traffic or whatever, because you either invest in your time or money. So a little simple $20 or $30 daily budget will make this strategy work fine. The steps we're gonna be going over is offer selection. So I'm gonna show y'all how to find a nice offer to run with on Clickbank. Show y'all landing page creation that I built, because I already got an offer in mind that we're going to use for this video just to speed it up. And I'm going to show y'all how to create the ads. Now, the funnel map that we're going to be using is from the ad straight to our simple little one-page website or bridge page, whatever you want to call it, to the affiliate offer, and from there we make our commissions. Now, if you head over to the Clickbank Marketplace, you can just come down, find products. You can sort it by popularity or gravity. Either one works. Normally, when you sort it by popularity, like the first 2 or 3 pages is normally all good products. Some products convert better on different traffic sources, like Leptotox might work best on Bing. The Cinderella solution might work best with Facebook. It's all about just testing and finding a proven affiliate offer. But like I said, since I already got an offer pulled up for this tutorial, this is the offer right here. Overnight Millionaire System by Wesley Virgin. Pays out $29 per sale, no rebills, 67%, but it has a gravity of 291, almost 292. That's basically the number of affiliates who recently made a sale promoting this offer. So, it's 300 different affiliates basically, and the top product on Clickbank has a 570 gravity. So that's a lot of affiliates making money. This is definitely the highest I've ever seen on Clickbank, 569. That's crazy. But going back to Overnight Millionaire, I like to do whenever I'm checking out an offer, look at the sales page. If it's something that I will buy from, more than likely I promote it. Definitely got to have an affiliate page, because I feel like if you was a vendor yourself and you trying to make a ton more money with affiliates, wouldn't you get them every resource to succeed? I mean, it's just almost common sense to me. The offer with no affiliate resources, meaning the offer probably not all that good. So it's pretty much the sales page right here, simple VSL. Now, most popular Clickbank products just use a VSL, so I mean, that must be what's in right now. I see literally like 99% of the offers use a VSL similar to this. With a long videos, probably like 30-40 minutes. Me personally, I wouldn't watch that myself. I got a short attention span, so but being that the offer, got a gravity of almost 300, it must be working. So just go with that. Let's actually go check out the affiliate tools. So yes, I want easy cash. Yes, I'm ready to get paid. Let's see. They even got done for you solutions that you could purchase. I think I looked into it the other day. I think it was like $500 for a done for you campaign. They pretty much guarantee you to make sales on it. So, it's pretty much up to you. They got email swipes and videos. This is what we're going to be using. So let me open this in a new tab. This is the done for you solution part that I was talking about. Other affiliates that brought this was getting sales with it. I haven't brought it myself, so it's up to you. And these are the videos that we're going to be using. Now you might be asking, what are we going to use these videos for? Are we doing Facebook ads? We doing, influencers? What are we doing, man? We doing YouTube ads. YouTube ads is something new. that I've been testing out myself. We go to my campaign dashboard right here. I spent total I spent $300, but on this campaign in particular, spent $60 promoting the same exact offer that I'm showing y'all how to set up right now. And yeah, man, YouTube is pretty good. I like it. You know, it takes about, the only thing I don't like is the time for it to get approved and running. But like I said, all you need is like a good $25, $30 daily budget to start testing. Yeah, this is the landing page that I built inside of ClickFunnels for this offer. So let me open this in a new tab so y'all can see. Super simple. I got this landing page idea from I think I did a little bit of spying a few days. Yeah, I did some spying a few days ago, and basically just copied this landing page. I got the privacy policy, the Facebook compliance. So if you want to run this on Facebook, there you go. Say yes to a new life with more success, wealth, and freedom. Click here. When they click there, they go to the offer. So very simple setup that we're going to use for this tutorial. And if you want this landing page, I will leave a link. If I remember to, I'll leave a link in the description to get this landing page for free inside of ClickFunnels. All you gotta do is start the 14-day free trial using my link, and I give you pretty much, I got a lot of landing pages you can have access to. But like I said, we're gonna be using one of these videos. They give you a lot of videos that you can use for ads. I think that's the most converting way to promote, is using like Facebook ads and YouTube ads. So we're gonna do that. Let me see. This is the video that I downloaded right here that I'm using myself. I already uploaded onto my YouTube channel. So yeah, you know, we got the offer. We got our landing page right here. We got our offer, our landing page. We got the video. Oh, another thing we need to do is download. So what I recommend you doing, just coming over to the affiliate resources, grabbing that, just opening this in a new tab, Facebook ad videos. Download one of them that you like and start up a YouTube channel if you don't have one already. If you got a Gmail account, you already got a YouTube account. So all you gotta do is just go over to youtube.com, upload it as unlisted. So as you can see right here, visibility, it's unlisted, and you're gonna need that video link once it's done publishing. Right here, as you can see, you just copy that video link, and you're gonna need it when you're setting up the ads over on YouTube. So to set up a campaign on YouTube ads, very simple. Just go over. I know most of y'all probably don't have a YouTube ads account or a Google ads account. So what you can do is Google, literally just YouTube ads, and right here, first link, start advertising on YouTube. I wonder if it's gonna redirect me because I already got an account. But yeah, this is pretty much what it should look like. Start now, you know, integrate your account, set it up, all that good stuff, and your dashboard should look like this. From here, you can just click on the plus sign, click on new campaign, create a campaign without a goal, do video, move me out the way, custom video campaign, so I just leave it there, click on continue. Campaign name, we can name this Millionaire version 2. I already got one set up for Millionaire, so I gotta do version 2. Now right here, I don't really mess with the CPV. Campaign total, I changed this to daily. Like I said, you know, simple $20 to $30 campaign budget, you'll be good to go. Delivery method, I like to do accelerated, me personally, but you could do standard, really don't matter. Accelerated just gonna spend your budget real fast. Standard just gonna spread it out throughout the rest of the day. Let's see, scroll down, networks. I like to do, we're gonna do in-stream ads, so ads that's, you know, the 5-second where you get to skip it. When you're watching a video, you get to skip ad. That's basically what in-stream is. Or you could do display if you wanted to, just a little more work. You gotta come up with the thumbnails, you gotta come up with a nice title and description, things like that. But this way, it's just a simple in-stream ad that we're gonna set up. Languages, I like to do English. Boom, select that. Country, you can do tier 1, or me, I'm just leave it at United States. Inventory, I like to do expanded so it can show on more results. Let's see, excluded. I don't want to show it on embedded videos or live stream videos. And ad group name, we could just name it Millionaire. Boom. Demographics, I like to target people. I always like to deselect 18 to 24. I be feeling like they don't be having the money to invest into programs and stuff. Well, it's not like it's a high ticket affiliate offer. You know, it's paying out $500 and stuff like that. But most people 18 to 24, 22 or whatever, they don't really have money to invest in stuff. or not trying to at all. So now content right here, you could do you could target either by keywords, you can target YouTube channels, you can target certain YouTube videos. This is what I like about it. You can get super targeted. So if you had a list of 100 related YouTube videos, you know, that's similar to the overnight millionaire system. So this is about mindset, manifesting your dreams, law of attraction. So if you put together a video list, let me go back to the campaign. But yeah, if you put together a video list of maybe like 100 videos, 50 to 100 videos related to, you know, manifesting, you know, mind hacks and things like that, you can target all of those right here on YouTube. So the targeting is really good on here. So let's say, for instance, let's do law of attraction. So you can see law of attraction, it'll bring up the top videos. 1 second. Boom. So you can literally target any video that you want to. You can go over on youtube.com and select the videos if you don't like this layout. I don't. Say you want to target this one, this one, this one. Select about 10. Boom. Anyone. Then once you get that out the way, another thing you can do, you can target YouTube channels related to law of attraction. So there you go. All you gotta do is just swap it out for whatever niche that you in. So if you want to target these channels, you can do it all together, you know, YouTube videos plus channels, and you can target keywords as well. Now for my keywords, what I like to do is go to other offers, because this one don't have like a keyword list inside the affiliate tool. So what I do is just find related offers to it. So like I said, the manifestation magic, you can go open this in new tab, because I already looked at the affiliate tools for this. You can copy the keywords that they give for this offer. The keywords is all the same. The keywords don't really make a difference. It's just the different products. So boom, you can copy all these keywords, go back over to the YouTube ads, paste them. Oops. Now what you want to do is really format them right, but y'all get the idea. You copy, like I said, you can just go to whatever related products that you're promoting, copy the SEO keywords and import them inside your own campaign, and yeah, you'll pretty much be good to go. Maximum CPV bid, I like to do 10 to 15 cents, so I'm just go with 15. You move me out the way. You can look at your impressions on the side, similar to Facebook. And from here, this is why I say you're gonna need to download one of those videos. And I already have one downloaded, so where is that? Right here is the video that I'm gonna be using. You can play it if you want to.
Hey, stop! You know what? Everybody wants a loud game.
These type of videos work good with in-stream ads, because you know the first 5 seconds is the most important, because that's going to determine whether they continue to watch your video or skip ad and go watch whatever they was already watching. But his videos is all, you know, like this, you know, calling people out. They got Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces in the background and stuff that to get people attention. So these type of videos work amazing, really, with any type of traffic source. So if we go copy this video link, you can go back over to campaign settings, paste it, and you only need to upload it as a unlisted video. You don't need to upload it onto your public channel. That's what I like about it. A new version of Google Ads is available to start using it. Update this. Oh wow, so let me see what's going on. All right, so I updated it. All I have to do is refresh the page. Did they change anything? Oh wow, they did. Let me just put in some basic stuff or anything. I don't know what the timing. All right, so boom, got our video ad format, skippable in-stream ad. And they only charge you when people, I think it's when they watch at least 30 seconds or click the actual link or click the call to action button right here. I think that's the only time that they charge you, so that's cool. Let me go back up to, just want to put in any keyword really. You can do law of attraction, and placement, another law of attraction. Obviously can't spell. Let me see. Law of attraction. Let's see. YouTube channel. Target this one. YouTube video. You can target this one. All right, so we got our fake placement set up, and we pretty much good to go. Campaign total daily 25. All right, so oops. Going back to the ad. The ad is very simple. Final URL is where you'll put your landing page, wherever I did with it. Let me open this in a new tab. Copy this link, paste it right there. Display URL. 7 Figures Marketing. I like to capitalize the first letter in every word. It just stands out a little more. Call to action, you could say, I don't know, click here. Move me out the way so you can see a preview of it. And the headline, we could do free training. Oh, one thing that was a setback for me that I didn't know, you can't capitalize, like, for example, because on Facebook I like to do, whenever I mention free anything, I like to make it all caps. I noticed that they don't allow that. So to save you some time and your ad creation, having to redo it all over and wait 24 to 48 hours for it to get approved, you can just capitalize the first letter in every word. Don't capitalize the whole word because they will disapprove it. And as you can see right here, is the preview of the ad. Free training. Click here, or you can say something like 7 mind hacks, or you can say mind hacks the millionaires use. Whatever you want to do it. Just leave it at free training, and you're pretty much good to go. From here, you can just click on create campaign. You can see right here the estimated you'll get 3 to almost 8,000 views per day, with a budget of $25 and a bid of 15 cents. And they pretty much tell you how much you will spend out your whole entire budget. So you're pretty much gonna spend the whole budget every day, and the average cost per view is gonna be 2 to 4 cents. And that's that. From there, you just click on create campaign, wait for it to get approved. After like I said, 24 to 48 hours, you'll start getting impressions and clicks and stuff like that. And that is that, man. I showed y'all exactly what I'm running from A to Z. Showed y'all how to set it up yourself. Now, like I said, with keywords and placements and stuff, I like to either do the research, get the keywords myself using the Google Ad Planner, Bing Ads Planner. You can get keywords from YouTube tags, the affiliate tools. You can do video placement. So, like I said, if you want to search up law of attraction, you can copy all those video URLs that come up, the top videos, and place your in-stream ad before those videos. You can target YouTube channels to have your ads showing on all of their videos throughout the whole channel. However you want to do it, it all works. I recommend you just set up some campaigns and start learning YouTube ads and how everything works. Because that's where I'm at right now. Like I said, I spent a total of $307 on YouTube ads so far. I'm already getting results with it. I spent $60 on this campaign I just set up right in front of y'all. And I can't show y'all the exact targeting I use and stuff like that for obvious reasons, but I just gave y'all the sauce of this new strategy, how you can make $100 a day with Clickbank. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you like this tutorial, I reply to everybody. Subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I release more videos like this. If you're looking for more advanced training on how to promote affiliate offers, my own offers, and things like that, definitely recommend you go check out my courses in the description down below. But that's all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.